Hello, I'm Mr. Gideon, and today's British English pronunciation lesson, you're going to learn how to say the word that ends with Tion and Sion. Okay, in British English. Are you ready? Let's do this. So first, let's have a look at how to pronounce words ending with Tion. Now, the Tion has four letters, the T-I-O-N, but we only have two sounds, officially three sounds, okay? The sh, and n, sh, n. Meanwhile, the sound, being the schwa sound, it's been eaten up, okay? It's been shortened and eaten up, and hereby making those three sounds to become two, being the sh and n, being shin, 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 okay? So I strongly recommend the shin, okay? Shin. That's it. For example, we have conversation, conversation, shin, shin. Information, information, shin, shin. Education, education, shin, shin. Situation, situation, shin, shin. See? So I've almost exhausted all the examples I have. So that's it for the sound shin. Okay. Now, when it comes to the words that ends with the letter sion, sion, it's been replaced with the sh. This time, it's been replaced with sh. You make it to have a voice on your throat. You see, this time you have a voice on your throat. Jin, jin, jin. It's same applicable with a shin sound. The sion, it's jin, not shin. Jin. For example, too, we have these words being television, 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 jin, jin. Decision, decision, jin, jin. Occasion, occasion, jin, jin. Version, version, jin, jin. Do you understand that? So, make sure you're not misunderstanding these two sounds. The shin being the tion and the jin being the sion. Do you understand that? Make sure you follow my page with this. Thank you. You can do well to follow my page to learn more on how to pronounce your word correctly. Yes. So, if you want to watch more of these videos, you can find them more of it in my YouTube channel. So, do well to subscribe and click the follow button.